welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I will be making some gnomes. I know last year they were a big hit and they're slowly coming back this year as well. And this video is part of a challenge that is hosted by my very dear friend here on YouTube, Donna from Creative by Nature. And she had asked us to create gnomes. Why do I have such a hard time saying that word? And so I will be making ornaments, gnome ornaments, and for that I am using two different furs, and these have come from Michael's. They're just leftovers, and then these little wood slices that came from Dollar Tree. I will use these two little beads that came from Dollarama in this giant set, and then just some felt, and I got this pack of felt from Dollarama. You want some sort of a rope for hanging, and then you need hot glue. So let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just going to tie these up so they're ready to go. And as I mentioned, this is part of a challenge, so I will have Donna's video linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge. And make sure you go check out Donna, because she does wonderful DIYs up on her channel, and I just enjoy watching her, and I'm sure you will too. So that's ready, and now I'm going to cut my fur, and you want to use a razor or something sharp to cut, because you just want to cut the top layer. You don't want to cut the bottom layer. I'm actually thinking I'm not even going to cut this. I'm gonna leave it as is, because all I have to do is fold it. I was a little bit worried how it's gonna look, but I think it looks just fine. Maybe I'll trim it a little bit with sharper scissors. Okay, so I'm going to put this here so it's ready to go. Yes, that's right. And now I'm going to put hot glue to the top, and then right there.
Well, I'm all for.
Not very centered, so I'm gonna redo it and do a bit better job in centering it.
Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes.
Maybe I'll do it this way, so that way I can have a better look. There. That's much better.
And I want it all from the lights.
There we go. And now for the hood, I'm going to use the felt. I'm gonna go with red one. Going to cut it in half. So I'm gonna fold it in half and then fold it in the other half, and then I'm just going to cut straight down, and that way I'll get somewhat of a perfect triangle. It's a little long, so you want to shorten it. There we go. Flip it over and hot glue it. And then you also want to put just a little dab of glue at the bottom to keep its shape a little bit. There we go. And you can, I'm thinking I'm going to actually fold it even more to make it look a little bit more like a hat, not like a king's hat.
To the mistletoe.
Okay, and now I'm going to add the little bead for the nose.
Tell me one thing. Is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that.
Like that. Now I'm gonna repeat the process with my other fur as well. Pay attention to the direction of the fur is what I would suggest, and then cut it and see it's going down. So I'm going to cut it that way, and then I'm gonna go this way. There we go. There is a specific fur that you can use for this project that won't do this shedding like that, but I didn't have it. This is what I had on hand, so we'll just work with what we have. And then for the hat, I think I'm gonna give him a black hat. So again, fold in half and another half.
No. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind.
Other camera died, so I'm using a different camera.
May all your wishes tonight come true.
There we go. I think these look really cute. So here they are. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And make sure you go into the description box, check out Donna's channel, as well as the playlist, so you get tons of gnome ideas. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.